Take a look around right now and look at all these faces. All these friends and family, they're here today to celebrate you. So take this moment in.
When Katie met Nat, something changed within her in a beautiful way. I remember hearing that Katie had a new date to her sophomore semi, and it was Nat Casey from the prep.
13 years go by without a warning, and you're still standing at my side. I'm so delighted and feel so lucky to be up here with you, deepening and solidifying the commitment we've had to each other for so long.
When we first met back in early high school, I was drawn to your confidence and your intelligence. I've always loved how your real smile lights up your face and the way you make me laugh.
Katie and Nat, you have found that special person that you were searching for to spend the rest of your life with. The two of you remained together through 4 years of college and 2 years of work in New York, and that is very special. You have found your best friend.
Look at this.
The only trait that really surpasses Nat's level of intelligence is his level of devotion to Katie. Their relationship has survived different schools, different states, and it's really flourished through all of that.
Knowing them both before they were a couple, I've seen the effect they've had on each other. Together they become more complete and wonderful versions of themselves.
I love how comfortable I feel with you. That we can talk about anything without feeling judged, but can also just be present and quiet together.
You've encouraged and supported me in my dreams over the years, even when I've doubted myself. You've helped me to become the best version of myself. And together we've become an incredible team.
Sometimes you remind me of a child, in all the best ways. You know how to be silly, you're genuine, you love s'mores, and you're able to be wonderstruck. I love hearing you whisper, "Wow," as we watch a sunset or some other wonder of the world.
I appreciate your commitment to learning and to making our lives better. And I love our conversations and seeing the world through your perspective.
Together we make better decisions. You're smart, strong, and beautiful, and I know you'll be an amazing role model for our family. I'll never take you or our love for granted.
I promise to keep having fun together and building on the friendship that began at 15, playing pool basketball and tubing the Red Shark.
I can genuinely say that I could not have picked a better man for my sister to grow up alongside and to support her in becoming the successful, beautiful, and ever-giving woman she is today.
Your love is stronger than anything that life can throw at you. Just remember to say I love you to each other each and every day.